Okay, I am finding something a little interesting here. Turns out the capacitors are correct, and they're new. So we're not going to get anywhere with that. But check this out here. Okay, so the scope is watching the AVC line right at the capacitor that gets switched in. So the thinking here is normally there's just a 0.01 capacitor on the AVC line, and then at some point you switch in this bigger capacitor. And I'd like you to watch and listen to what happens here. So the capacitor is switched in as soon as you go on shortwave. Something more must be happening. There is a setting on the knob, on the tone knob, called shortwave. So what I'm thinking in my mind is when you set it to shortwave, you adopt a set of tone control capacitors appropriate to shortwave. I don't know what those would be up to the PYE designers. And you also click in an AVC capacitor in the AVC line. That's what I'm thinking is going on here. The AVC is always active, but when you get to that short wave setting, then you switch in this extra capacitor. So let's do that. So right now I'm on position 1 of the tone control, and I'm going to switch it through positions 1, 2, 3, 4. When I get to 4, well, let's see what happens. So you can hear the radio. Okay. So that's position number 1 on the tone control. This is position 1. Position 2. Those two positions seem to work fine. Position 3. Position 4. Position 4, this goes away. And here, geez, that's me turning the volume control on. But you can see, as soon as I get this set. So, you know, there's something going on with this AVC. I think that's the focal point that I need to focus on. Motorboating, all this stuff seems to be related to this AVC thing. So it could be a wiring error. Maybe not. Hey, how do you like my camera dolly? How do you like that, eh? So, AVC. So I think I'm going to post these videos. I'm a little excited about making higher quality videos. And continue to study the schematic around the AVC and develop a theory around it and see if I can't test my way through it. So, so I'm going to go do that. So thanks for watching. And I'm not sure where we really got today. I'll tell you, I had a plan, a whole theory and plan in mind, and after first 2 tests, that went out the water. That went out the window. And I've had to wing it here again, as usual. So I'm going to go think about this and see if we can't come up with a really good approach. See you on the next video.